The Yonaguni Monument off the coast of Japan is shrouded in mystery, a massive underwater rock formation resembling ruins. Discovered by a Japanese diver in 1986, its step-like terraces and flat surfaces have prompted debate. Is it a geological wonder or an ancient city sunken by an earthquake? Scientists propose theories of tectonic activity shaping the structure, while others argue for a lost civilization from over 5,000 years ago. Despite extensive studies using sonar mapping and underwater archaeology, a clear conclusion remains elusive. The site continues to fascinate divers and researchers alike, symbolizing a thrilling intersection of human curiosity, natural formations, and ancient possibilities.